Second method is there. 1 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 binary number equal to, we mentioned there ones place we are giving there, which number is there? 0. Ones place 0, the next tens place 1, next 100 place 2, and 1000 place 3, and the next 10,000 place 4. Like that we are providing that time. This first digit will become that 8 is the exponent there. 1 into 2 raised to 8 plus, we needed to do that plus sign here. Next digit is there 1. 1 into 2 raised to 7. Exponent is what is there? 7. That's why 1 into 2 raised to 7 plus 0 into 2 raised to 6 plus 0 into 2 raised to 5 plus 0 into 2 raised to 4 plus 1 into 2 raised to 3 plus 0 into 2 raised to 2 plus 0 into 2 raised to 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to 0. Here last digit is there, you see there, one's place is 1. 1 into 2 raised to 0. Here now 2 raised to 8 means 2 we needed to multiply 8 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into, like that 8 times we needed to multiply. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 16 2s are 32. 32 2s are 64. 64 2s are 128. 128 2s are 256. The same like that, this exponential form we needed to find out. That time 2 raised to 7 is equal to 128. Next numbers multiplying with 0, directly we can write 0 is there. Again here one number is there, 1 into 2 raised to 3. That number will become 2 into 2 into 3 times 2 is there. That time 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Again that zeros are there in between. And last digit ones place is there, 1 into 2 raised to 0. I mentioned there, any number raised to 0 means 1. 2 raised to 0, 1. 1 ones are 1. Then we need a 256 plus 128 plus 8 plus 1 equal to 393. 393 is the decimal number. Next, octal number system. We two number system completed. The next number system is the octal number system. The octal number system consists of 8 digits from 0 to 7. 0 to 7, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 digit is there. That's why the base number is 8. The concept of octal number system came from the Native American, as they used to count numbers by using the space between their fingers rather than using their fingers. The procedure of octal to decimal conversion is similar to binary to decimal conversion. Now we studied that binary to decimal. Same like that, only the base, there we are using the base number binary 2. Here the base number is 8. Only that difference only there. Conversion is same. First example, 345. The octal number is there. That's why the base number 8. Here 1, 2, 3. 3 places are there. Unit, tens, 100. There we are providing there 0, 1, 2. 3 into 8 raised to 2. 8 is the base number of octal number system. Plus 4 into 8 raised to 1. Plus 5 into 8 raised to 0. Here 8 raised to 2 means 8 8s are 64 is there. 64 into 3, we will get the 192. 4 into 8 raised to 1. 8 raised to 1 means 8. 8 4s are 32. 5 into 8 raised to 0. 8 raised to 0 means 1. 5 into 1 equal to 5. 192 plus 32 plus 5 equal to 229. Next example, 317. Octal number is 8. Here 3 into 8 raised to 2. Exponential form. 7's exponential form is 0. 1's exponential form is 1. And 3's exponential form is there 2. 3 into base number octal 8. 8 raised to 2 plus 1 into 8 raised to 1 plus 7 into unity place is there. 7 into 8 raised to 0. 3 into 8 raised to 2. 8 8s are 64. 64 into 3 equal to 192. Plus 1 into 8 raised to 1 means 8. 1 8s are 8. 7 into 8 raised to 0. Any number raised to 0 means 1. That's why 7 1s are 7. 192 plus 8 plus 7 is equal to 207, that decimal number. Next is hexadecimal number system. Here, this number system consists of 16 symbols, numbers 0 to 9 and the letters A to F that represent decimal numbers from 10 to 15. Here 10 digits are there, 0 to 9, 10 digits plus 6 alphabets we are using there, that A to F. A is equivalent to 10, B is equivalent to 11, C is equivalent to 12 and so on. And like that numbers going on there up to F. Numbers are giving there. Here, so the hexadecimal number system's base number is 16. Here also conversion from the hexadecimal to decimal is same, like that binary to decimal. The only that difference is there. What is the difference is there? Base number hexadecimal is 16. Here one example given, 3b. B means what is there? B is equal to 11. 3 into 16, the base number is there. Exponential form 1. B's exponential form is 0. 3's exponential form is 1. 3 into 16 raised to 1 plus 11 into 16 raised to 0. Here B means what is there? 11. I mentioned there 0 to 9 digits and A to F alphabets are using there. A means 10 and B is equivalent to 11. That's why here we used that 11 into 16. 48 plus 11 equal to 59. That is the decimal number. One more example given, 4D2. Here the value of D, what is the value of D? What is the value of D here? 13. A equal to 10, B equal to 11, C equal to 12 and D equal to 13. First 4, 13 and 2. These are the digits there coming. Here 2's exponential form 0, D's exponential form is 1 and 4's exponential form is what is there? 2. 4 into base number hexadecimal 16, 16 raised to 2 plus 13 into 16 raised to 1. D means 13, a base number 16 raised to 2. 2 into 16, 2 into 16 base number, exponential form is 0, 16 raised to 0. Any number raised to 0 means 1. 4 into 16 into 16. And after we needed to multiply with 4, we will get the answer 1024 plus 13 into 16 we will get 208 plus 2 equal to 1234. That is the decimal number. Here today's conversion, I think you all are got that conversion. One time here questions are given there in the page number 14. That example questions you needed to write there in the CW notebook one time. All the example questions you needed to write one time in CW notebook. Here conversion to decimal number to binary number A is there. Convert the following binary number to decimal numbers, that B. That 2 things we completed here. For that activities page number 14, that 2 A and B, that questions you needed to solve in your CW notebook. I will give the solution afterwards. First you do the work and after I will give the solutions. Okay. I will give that MCQ, FIB and true or false also there in PDF together with the solution. Okay.